Axie vastness pick up bullish speed over the genuinely past week, acquiring 4.53%, which especially is very critical. The cost of Axie vastness by and large rose by 0.43% in the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely huge. As far as Axie's support floor, it explicitly is presently $10.21, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Axie in a real sense has its truly next obstruction at $11.87 in an unobtrusive manner. 13 November 2023, in this video we will especially walk you through Axie boundlessness cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and basically attempt to answer these habitually fundamentally clarified some pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is for the most part momentary cost expectation for Axie limitlessness, basically is Axie a generally excellent speculation, or so they truly thought. Axie endlessness support and obstruction levels and so on, which really is very critical. Yet, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Axie specialized examination, explicitly let us basically discuss the really current economic situations, showing how the cost of Axie vastness truly rose by 0.43% in the past 24 hours, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,414,664,667,125 in an unobtrusive manner. The sort of all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $48,913,730,687 in every practical sense. Further appearance, how the truly absolute exchanging volume explicitly remains at $48,913,730,687, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33%. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours in an extremely large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, or so they by and large thought. XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP by and large, is somewhere around 2.19. And as of now exchanging at 65 cents, which basically is genuinely critical. Moreover, Solana came to $57.83 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.02% in esteem, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in an every practical sense, descending course for sort of transient in a genuinely huge manner. Right now, a by and large broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping essentially profound into the Axie specialized examination, truly let us for the most part discuss the by and large current economic situations. Showing how the cost of Axie limitlessness fundamentally rose by 0.43% in the past 24 hours in an exceptionally significant manner. Axie limitlessness backing and obstruction backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a really significant manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers certainly become more sort of dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which dealers in a real sense become move kind of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving in every way that really matters higher in an unobtrusive way. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Axie boundlessness, Axie, Axie vastness execution. The truly day-to-day graph of Axie limitlessness basically shows that the Axie cost fundamentally has certainly flooded up with a 0.43% expansion and most certainly beyond 24 hours, which truly shows that a very broad kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Axie specialized examination, Truly let us in every practical sense discuss the truly current economic situations, showing how the cost of Axie endlessness especially rose by 0.43% in the past 24 hours, which basically is very critical. The value worth of the Axie endlessness, Axie's coin in every practical sense, is remaining at $6.40, with market capitalization $910,444,967 United States dollars, which basically is very critical. Axie's cost changes 4.53% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume soared of is drifting around $75,815,183 United States dollars, so Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie Limitlessness Value Examination Axie's cost investigation for 13 November 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time span, essentially made sense of beneath in a truly significant manner. We utilize fundamentally relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Axie endlessness. Showing how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,414,664,667,125 in a significant manner. The Axie boundlessness for the most part has basically break every one of its backings levels, and things truly are not looking especially great for the crypto market, so these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market generally is going in a descending bearing for truly transient in a very enormous manner. Right now, by and large bears certainly are in charge of the market and effectively essentially take Axie's cost beneath the urgent help level of $10.21, exhibiting that Axie limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the for the most part past week, acquiring 4.53%, which certainly is genuinely critical. The MACD line really is remaining beneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, showing how XRP, the very local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 2.19. And right now exchanging at 65 cents, which explicitly is very critical. Axie limitlessness financial backers need to explicitly hang tight for any directional change over the fundamentally everyday outline, essentially further appearance how Axie all things considered has its certainly next opposition at $11.87, which generally is genuinely huge. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and generally is attempting to especially break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength, showing that Axie in a real sense has its truly next obstruction at $11.87 in an unobtrusive manner. While Axie's Williams %R marker especially is at 61.794 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange, commonly signal explicitly